समन्वितं श्रीचैतन्यप्रभुं वन्दे नित्यानन्दसहोदितम् श्रीनन्दनन्दनं वन्दे श्रीराधिकाचरणद्वयम् श्रीगोपीजनसमायुक्तं वृन्दावनो मनोहरम् श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. All glories to Sri Guru and Gaurang. All glories to Sri Guru Parampara. All glories to Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to assembled devotees. Bhaktarupena, yeah. Thank you for enlightening me. I would humbly like to submit the below questions. Is it said that Atma is the observer? This is Jivatma. The body is controller. Influence, controller, influence. Monitored and governed by the three modes of material nature. Atma is just an observer, watch the body performing the action, karma. How can I understand this? Yeah, then in this regard you have to be fully free from all material attachment. Then you can understand Atma is spiritual. As soon as you become spiritual, spiritually advanced, then you can understand it. First of all, we have to understand that there is Jivatma like this. This is Jivatma, this is Paramatma. In this, look the watch. Look this. Paramatma, Jivatma. So, Jivatma is suffering because of karma. Paramatma watching. When you spiritually advance, free from all material attachment, oh my God, material attachment, the Jivatma's face turning in this way. Look, watch this. Then Jivatma able to see Paramatma. Like Dhruva Maharaj, he had lot of desire. Lots of desire for getting the father throne, to sit on the father lap. But as soon as he met Lord, he saw the Lord, he forgot everything. So, just turning, as soon as this is how much you spiritually advance, that much Jivatma's face towards Paramatma. And Jivatma, Paramatma, when they see, Jivatma see Paramatma, then he realizes everything. So, in this way you can also understand that. Also, how can I realize that I am not this body? Same thing. Spiritually advanced, then we can have that realization. Only this Bhakta Rup Penang, very nice questions he is asking. Very nice, I appreciate. Please send it such a question every day and let me think about all your questions and answer accordingly. Because I am not a scholar, I am just like a simple, ordinary devotee. So anyway, I forget what is this? 2 to 9, huh? Okay. 2 to 9. गोपी अनुगत्य बिना ऐश्वर्य ज्ञाने बुझिले हो नहीं पाए ब्रजेंद्र नंदने. Without following footsteps of Gopi and following only Aishwarya, opulence. I have this, I have that, I have this temple, I have lots of ornament, I have lots of opulence, so much clothes, shiny outfit, shiny body, I don't know the cream, body cream? What is that? Body lotion, making this first class, putting some, I have seen many sannyasis, they are putting sandalwood fragrance on their body, when they're coming, it's coming from sandalwood fragrance from their body coming. Anyway, so such type of tendency is called Aishwarya. Aishwarya, opulence. In every aspect we want to, we are in opulence, best, everything best. It's good, materially best. I don't know it is how far it is for spiritually advanced. But spiritually advanced means materially detached. Spiritually advanced means materially detached, material inferior. A spiritual practice superior. I saw my spiritual master. His schedule was always fixed. 3 to 7, morning 3 to 7, every day, non-stop chanting. Wholeheartedly focused, even in 100 years old. He manifests first time here more than 101 years. Within 100 years old, more than 100 years old, he was chanting. Except any acharya come, he is not. Always he used to speak with him. Any important emergency, otherwise always focus on chanting. Focus on chanting. So, therefore I am telling this, when when spiritually advanced, then material opulence will be inferior. And when materially advanced, then spiritually secondary. All first, management, job, everything first preference, management. This is the society I have to manage. So anyway, Gopi Anugatta Vina Aishwarya Gyane. Aishwarya Gyane means opulence, with the mood of opulence. And without gopis following footsteps of gopis, bhojile ho nahi paye. Even in Shar, nahi paye means no. There is no question of attainment. Where? Brajendra Nandan, to reach Krishna. This is not my explanation, just text number 229. Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya Lila and Ashtama 8th chapter. Raya Ramananda Sangla. Look, Bhajile ho nahi paay Brajendra Nandan. Bhajile means you are engaging your all services. Please make everything opulence, first class, selling books, getting lots of money. I think I explained once, my spiritual master, once he told me, because I had some different mood to collect money, opulence festival, to make opulence festival for Guru Maharaj Bas Puja. So anyway, one situation appeared one day, and when coming back from collection, I went to collect, taking rest after lunch. Now after lunch, he should take a rest, little bit, 1 or 2 hours maximum. In 2 hours time, I used to go to Calcutta, middle of Calcutta, because I used to stay at South Calcutta, only half an hour by bus. Collect office to office, residential quarter, like that. This is Gaudiya Math style, the begging. So anyway, when I coming back, then he says, where you went? He doesn't know what I am doing. Then he says, without my permission, if you collect millions and millions of rupees, it will be karma for you. And with my order, if you sleep in my room, if you sleep, it will be a seva. Then I become completely astonished. I was thinking to make him happy. And that is make Lord happy, because each devotee happy, each devotee's service is like a Lord service. That day and that day's Gurudeva's instruction and today's Chaitanya Charitamrita, Raya Ramananda's explanation is matching like Gopi Anugatta. Gopi have no opulence. Only sweet manner exchange. Sweet manner exchange their mood with Krishna. So we have to follow their footsteps, and gradually we have to give up our opulence mode and follow the footsteps of gopis. If you are not doing so, say, Bhajileo nahi paay Brajendra Nandan. Bhajileo means if you serve wholeheartedly, whatever opulence manner you are serving, no Brajendra Nandan, no Vrindavan Krishna. We can have. Which Krishna? Dwaroka Krishna. Yeah. Choose yourself what you want with your practice, then do it accordingly. Tahate drishtanta Lakshmi korilo bhajan, tathapi napailo braje Brajendra Nandan. Tahate drishtanta. Drishtanta is example. For instance, for example, Lakshmi korilo bhajan. Lakshmi serve wholeheartedly. To whom? Narayan, Vishnu, serving wholeheartedly. But when Lakshmi came to Vrindavan, not able to enter Vrindavan. So he's in bail bond. And lamenting, when I am able to get that qualification. and when I'm able to deserve the qualification of gopis. In this regard, Bhaktivinoda Thakur composed very nice song in his Mangalarati. Devi Lakshmi Shuti Ganam Dharani Lotai. Devi Lakshmi, Lakshmi Devi, so many type of Lakshmi. Parijat Lakshmi, Kojaduri Lakshmi. There's a 10 type of Lakshmi. Ravana. When Ravana disrespected Ramachandra, kidnapped Sita, all the Lakshmi gone from Ravana's kingdom. So anyway, so looks that Devi Lakshmi Shruti Gana, Lakshmi Devi, they are rolling on the ground. She's rolling on the ground. Why? And lamenting, when I will get that deservedness of gopis quality, then I am eligible to serve Brajendra Nandan. Therefore, we have to know Lakshmi Devi had, we can say, false ego. I am managing, maintaining, because all the opulence of Lord with me. So why I will follow the footsteps of Gopi? Why I will follow the footsteps of Gopis? So such false ego. There is no false ego. In front of Vrindavan, in the Vrindavan, in front of Gopis, false ego will not help us at all to be here in Vrindavan. Always surrender. Surrender to Gopis means always follow their order. Do this, do that. Do this, do that. No question. Then Krishna will accept. Accept us. Brajendranandan will accept us here in Vrindavan. This is Golok Vrindavan, is our destiny. We have to attain that destiny. Therefore our chanting, our service, everything should be based on the Gopis Anugatya, to surrender to Gopis. All the Guru Varga, they are actually Gopis Manjaris. Therefore, independence nature, this devotional practice is like you can say null and void. Or, we can say null and void. Or, better way, just like it will not work. Bada dukkha payache swatantra jivane. Too much distress I face when I become independent. Sab dukkha dure galo pada balane. All distress pass away as soon as you get shelter of Gopis. So anyway, think about it. Don't think that I am just speaking from my mind concoction. I am just following whatever our Acharya says, Raya Ramananda says. And Mahaprabhu appreciate that. Nayam Sriyanga O Nitanta Rate Prasada Sarja Shitang Nalina Gandha Rucham Kutannam Rasat Savyasya Mujadanda Grihita Kanto Labdha Shishan Ja Udgada Braja Sundarinam. is number 80. We already discussed. This is number 231. Let me read again number 80. What Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained. 80 number slow. শ্রী বৃন্দাবনের রাসোৎসবে শ্রীকৃষ্ণের ভুজদণ্ড দ্বারা গৃহীত কণ্ঠ ব্রজসুন্দরীর দিকে যে প্রসাদ উদিত হইয়াছিল তা বক্ষস্থিত লক্ষ্মী প্রভৃতি পরব্রহ্মস্থিত নিতান্ত অনুগত শক্তিগণের প্রাপ্য হয় নাই। পদ্মগন্ধ প্রভাব স্বর্গীয় রমণীগণের সেরূপ হয় নাই, তখন অন্য স্ত্রী সম্বন্ধে কি বলিব? And just like Brajagopigan embraced by Lord Krishna. Nang Sriyanga U Nitanta Rate Prasada. Krishna embraced. That Saubhagya, that fortune is not appear for gopis. My Brajasundari Devi Prasad, what was the feeling when they embrace? Prasad means mercy. When the feeling of mercy of Lord Krishna, Vishnu's Bhakhasthita means Lakshmi, who is in chest of Vishnu, embracing and always situated on the chest of Lord Vishnu. Parabham Sthita means Parabham means Nitanta Anugata Sattva Papayana. The Lakshmi also not able to release that such type of mercy. Although she is staying on the chest of Lord Vishnu. Then Padma Gandha Prabhava Swarigya Ramani Ganera Sarupayana. Padma Gandham lotus fragrance. Swarigya means heavenly woman. They are also not able to realize that mercy. Then what we talk about on other women? The Brajagopi, they are most fortunate. That is the meaning of the text. Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained. Prabhu Raya Prem Kandan. Prabhu, Mahaprabhu, Rai, Prem Kandan, loving manner, they are crying. এত শুনি প্রভু তারে কইল আলিঙ্গন, জনে গলাগলি করেন ক্রন্দন। Raya Ramananda and Mahaprabhu embrace. Not Raya Ramananda embrace Mahaprabhu. Embracing coming from first from the superior. The Mahaprabhu is God, he embraces. Who is Raya Ramananda? Vishakha. So what do you feel? So here, although we are in South India, but it seems like they are releasing, Raya Ramananda releasing, just like in Vrindavan, Krishna embraced. So anyway, why I am telling her? Because he was Visakha. এত শুনি প্রভু করে, প্রভু তারে কইলে আলিঙ্গন, embrace. দুইজনে গলাগলি করেন কন্দন. Embracing means smiling, but why crying? This is Prem Vilas Vivarta. Embracing, enjoyment, separation. Why? Prabhu will leave. And Prabhu thinking, I will leave also now. Time for leaving. So that is, Mahaprabhu when he was Gambhira, He always searching Krishna. He is Krishna, but in the mood of and form of Radharani, they always chanting Kaha Krishna Pananad Murali Padam. Always he wants to play. He wants to see Krishna playing flute. You know, when Mahaprabhu came from Bengal first time to entering Jagannath Puri, in a Dandabhanga river. Dandabhanga means there is when Lord Nityananda broke his danda. What? Why Nityananda broke his danda? You are God. Why you sannyasis? I don't believe that you are sannyasi. You are God. I am not breaking danda, sannyas danda. I broke only on bamboo. Nityananda said, Bhangyachi Mas Khan. Bans means bamboo. Bengali Bans and Bhangyachi Mas Khan. Then, after the incident, Mahaprabhu became angry and left. From Dandabhanga river, running towards Jagannath temple side. As soon as they reach Atharonala, there is a drainage. No, there is a river, on the river a pool, a bridge. That bridge actually 18 drain is there under the bridge. It's called Atharo. Atharo means 80. Nala means drain. From that Atharo Nala, still you can see the top of the Jagannath, this dome, the temple dome. So all the devotees, they follow Lord Chaitanya until that Atharanala. Then Atharanala, as soon as the regent see the Jagannath dome, then in the vision of Lord Chaitanya, he saw on the dome, on he saw Blue's boy playing flute. As soon as Lord Chaitanya saw it, he just left everyone back and ran towards that. You can see Chaitanya Gaudiya Math. Actually, when they established that Mahaprabhu's Padapita over there, Atharanala, it was 1982. Just Srila Prabhupada's temple, birthplace temple inauguration, deity installation day. With the Sankirtan team, all we went there. And I was there also. So that Atharanala. So as soon as I look, then I run toward that. So the Mahaprabhu also, when he was in almost 12 years, he was in ecstasy, special ecstasy form. Whatever his eyes goes, all over Krishna. You know this Chaitanya Charitamrita explain, Radharani used to see like this way. Krishna, Radharani's another name is Krishnamayi. Krishnamayi, Krishna jar, antare bahire. Krishnamayi is Radharani's. Inside he saw Krishna, outside is Krishna, antare bahire. To whom he saw? See Krishna? Na Krishna. See, to whom she saw Krishna. Krishnamayi, Krishna jar, antare bahire. Inside, outside, always look Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. Jaha jaha netra pade, taha Krishna spure. Wherever he turning face, all over Krishna. This is the condition of Radharani. Here also, Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu there, always going towards Krishna, but Krishna disappeared. One tree He saw inside Krishna, embracing tree, not Krishna, tree. Such type of vision. So that is the separation, always feeling separation. So here Mahaprabhu is thinking such a good association, but time for departure, crying. And Vishakha Devi, when Raya Ramananda, such my Lord appear. Let's see what they are talking amongst each other. उभय रात्रे एकत्र वास परदिन प्राते सकार्य गमन. Both they are staying overnight together, and next day sakarya means on the duties, responsibility they left for also. এই মত প্রেমাবেশে রাত্রি গোয়াইলা, প্রাতঃকালে নিজ নিজ কার্যে দুহে গেলা. Mahaprabhu, Dve means two. Raya Ramananda went back to his home, his palace, for maintaining or respecting his responsibilities, and Mahaprabhu going for morning prayer, sannyasi, that is that. Whole night they are doing so. রায়ের দৈন প্রভুর সঙ্গ প্রার্থনা, বিদায় সময়ে প্রভু চরণে ধরিয়া, রামানন্দ রায় কহে বিনতি করিয়া. During the time of departure, Raya Ramananda holding the feet of Lord Mahaprabhu, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, চরণে ধরিয়া. But Vidaya Samaya Prabhu Charane Dhariya. Charan means lotus feet of Prabhu, means Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu lotus feet he holding and says, what is it? Ramananda Rai Kahe Binoti Koriya. Vandana means prayer. Who? Raya Ramananda. How? To hold his feet. মোরে কৃপা করি তোমার ইহা আগমন, দিন দাস রহি শোধো মোর দুষ্ট মন. মোরে কৃপা, please bestow your mercy, such mercy, and stay here at least 10 days. 10 days. দিন দাস রহি শোধো মোর দুষ্ট মন. Dushtamon, my wicked mind. Shodho means cleansing my wicked mind. Clean my own wicked mind. Please stay here. Your presence, your association will cleanse my wicked mind. Dushtamon. You know, Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta says, Dushtamon tumi kisher Vaishnava. O wicked mind, how can we say you are Vaishnava? Why? Pratistharo tare nirjanero ghare tava hari naam kebala kaitam. Pratistharo tare, in order to get name and fame, you are sitting in solitary place and chanting Harinam. Is all your hypocrisy. We know the leave the Shiva and sitting in the lonely place, the solitary place, and chanting the best one, best way. But Prabhupada's language, Prabhupada means my Prabhupada. And Gaudiya Math's founder, His Divine Grace, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur Prabhupada. So he said like that. So, service, how? Service under the guidance of gopis, not independently. Gopis. What is the gopis service? Gopis mood. Gopis mood, always sweet. Whoever observing the footsteps of Gopi, their mood always sweet, never bitter. Therefore Vaishnavas, real Vaishnavas mood always sweet. Krishna is sweet, Krishna devotee also sweet. The gopis, Krishna's devotees, associate, they are also sweet. Means which Krishna? Vrindavan Krishna. So be sweet, then and follow the footsteps of gopis, then you can have Vrindavan, transcendental Vrindavan. Bhoma Vrindavan, this material place in Vrindavan, everybody can come. You can see nowadays so many concrete jungle nowadays. When I came first time here, it was really jungle was there. Ramanurti was full of trees, and early morning when I do Vrindavan Parikrama, there is peacock, peacock sound, keka. Keka sound, but now concrete jungle, all the offices, residential quarter, Ramanurti covered. Even this Vrindavan Parikrama Marg, full of berry trees, full of berries, flower, now all concrete jungle. We can come if we have money, we can forcefully come and stay here. But transcendental Vrindavan, restriction is there. Follow footsteps of gopis, be sweet, free from false ego, name, fame, or whatever, false ego. And then gopis will allow. So anyway, Vidaya Shamaya Prabhur Charane Dhariya. More kripa, what is the prayer? More kripa korite tomar iha agamon. You are coming here just to bestow your mercy to me only. So therefore, stay here. Din das rahi. Din das 10 days. Rahi means stay here. And cleanse all the wicked nature of my mind. We have to pray also. My mind is really wicked mind. Always I'm looking, everybody fault. I am right. So I have to sit on this chair. Everybody should sit on the floor. But anyway, please bestow your mercy. I can sit on the floor with you. Toma bina onno nahi jiva uddharite. Toma bina onno nahi Krishna prema dite. In order to deliver all the living beings, no one can do except you. Ramananda says, Toma bina, without you, no one can jiva uddharite, deliver living entities from this material world or their material attachment. And Toma bina onno nahi Krishna premedite. Without you, no one can give Krishna prem. Actually, Mahaprabhu came here to teach how to get Krishna prem. Teach Saranagati. Saranagati means surrender. So Mahaprabhu first surrendered to Raya Ramananda. Now Raya Ramananda surrendered to Mahaprabhu. প্রভু কর্তৃক রায়ের স্তুতি এবং তদ্দর্শন অহংকার। প্রভু কয়ে আইলাম শুনি তোমার গুণ, কৃষ্ণ কথা শুনি শুদ্ধ করাইতে মন। প্রভু কহে, Mahaprabhu says, I learn, I coming here. Why? I heard your qualities, তোমার গুণ। From him, where he heard? Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, who was in Odisha, who was Mayavadi. His real identity, he is the guru of all god and goddesses, heavenly guru, Brihaspati. But he was Mayavadi. Lord Chaitanya saw, Bhagavan saw that if I deliver him, automatically enter Prataparudda's kingdom, because he is actually crown scholar of this King Prataparudra's kingdom. He is the managing all the ritualistic procedure of in Jagannath temple. If I make him understand whatever he is following, it is all Mayavad, impersonalism. And Lord has form, Lord has quality, Lord has divinity, everything has. If I make him understand, then everybody can follow him. You know this, His Divine Grace, Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, he says, if you bring intellectual person from society, others, they will come automatically. They are intellectual person, they are like a head of society. So when head come, entire body automatically comes. So Mahaprabhu also applying such rule, such. Therefore, first he delivers Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, and Sarvabhauma, when he realized it, oh, now I understand you are not like young sannyasis. Actually, you are Supreme Lord in the form of Lord Chaitanya. So he explained. Mahaprabhu knew his next destination to go south and deliver Ravananda. But he said, therefore Mahaprabhu says, Prabhu kaya ailam shuni tomar gun. I am here, coming here, Mahaprabhu says, just to hear your qualities. From who? Sarvabhauma. It is not writing here, but it is fact. Krishna katha shuni shuddha karaite mon. Krishna katha shuni. I have heard about your quality, therefore I am coming here to hear the Krishna katha, Krishna's glories from yours. Actually, previously, people just remember, I say, Raya Ramananda says, I am like instrument, you are operator. So how you are operating, I am accordingly acting. So, but Mahaprabhu, twisting manners, he says, Krishna katha suni shuddha karaite mon. Mahaprabhu says, my mind is wicked. This nature of Vaishnava, always showing humility. Always showing the humility. My spiritual master used to say, I am a Balis. I am a Balis. Balis means, you know the Balis means? Balis means that person who has no quality and always trying to enjoy, trying to engage themselves for the sense enjoyment desire. No quality to serve. The Gurudev used to say like that. My spiritual master used to say that if I think, oh, he is really Balis, it's a foolishness. Really, it will be our foolishness. Therefore, we have to be careful to deal with Vaishnava. What they say, don't think about it. Like Gaur Krishnadas Babaji Maharaj said, after my physical departure, please keep my body behind a bullock cart with a rope and let my body roll on the ground, gradually smear on all my body's flesh, bone, smear on the holy dham. In that way, please, that way, he just arrange my body's toilet. Last times. So that is them. But all foolish few devotees, they are going to do that. Then Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta said, I am his only one disciple. I have right to take him with me. Then finally he took. So Mahaprabhu may say, you should not think, what Mahaprabhu said. So it is fact. Joiche suninu, doiche dekhilu tomara mahima. How I heard about your glorification. Similarly, I see that same. There's no differences. Radha Krishna Premaraso Gyanere Tumi Shima. You are the knowledge of Radha Krishna's as a loving relation. Premarasa Shima. The mellow of Radha Krishna's. You have knowledge, the mellow of Radha Krishna's conjugal relation. 10 দিনের কথা যাবৎ আমি জীব তাবৎ তোমার সব ছাড়িতে নাড়িব. Mahaprabhu, Zigzag Maharani says, 10 দিনের কথা, why you say only 10 days? যাবৎ আমি জীব means how long I will be here in this body. তাবৎ তোমার সব ছাড়িতে নাড়িব. I don't like to leave you at all. You understand what I'm saying? Means, how long I will be here, I like to be with you. Why you say only 10 days? Just to think about it. Then Nilachale Prabhu Rayar Sangha Vancha. Then Mahaprabhu explained that I have desire you to be Nilachal with me, and I can have your association. Let's see how Mahaprabhu approached. নীলাচলে তুমি আমি থাকিব একসঙ্গে সুখে গোয়াইব কালো কৃষ্ণ কথা রঙ্গে. নীলাচল means Jagannath Puri. তুমি আমি, you and me, থাকিব, stay, living, একসঙ্গে, together. Together, you and me will stay at Nilachal. Sukhe goaibo, happily we will pass. Goaibo means katalagana, pass day and night with Krishna Katha Range, with Krishna Katha. Means Krishna's glories. He will explain, I will hear. You can see, Mahaprabhu also used to go to Tota Gopinath. Purpose to hear Bhagavatam from Gadadhar Pandit. What type of Bhagavatam? Not like Radha Krishna's. Because this Gadadhar Pandit himself, Radharani. From Gadadhar Pandit he used to listen always Dhruva, Prahlad, all the Vaishnavas character from Srimad Bhagavatam. But here the Raha Ramananda, see, he is Vishakha Devi. He says Krishna Katha Range. And Mahaprabhu is Radharani. Mahaprabhu Krishna with the mood and form of Radharani. So Radha wants to hear always Krishna's glories. So therefore he requests, please come and explain day, night about Krishna's glories, and I'll be happy. Both will be happy. Very nice, huh? Sasakat Jante Sandha Ubhay Milan. But after that conversation, Sarai Ramananda left and Mahaprabhu performed his own sannyas ritual, morning, all this. Ato boli tuhe nijo nijo karje gela Sandha kale Rai puno asiya milila. After the conversation, Rai Ramananda went back to his home, but Sandha kale, evening time, again Rai puno means again. The Rai puno asiya milila. Again Rai Ramananda came and met with Lord Chaitanya. Ubhaya Ishtavusti. Now there are some conversation. Onnanne mili duhe nibrite boshiya prashnottar goshti khaye anandito hoiya. The battery is মানে সকাল থেকে চালালে কেন তাহলে ইলেকট্রিক ছিল তো এখন কি হবে? So anyway, look, I cannot read anymore. I have not that much power to read with such light. Oh, what is this? It's a light asho to. Anyway, by the grace of Lord, again come back, power. So anyway, look. Onnanne mili duhe nebrite boshiya. Nebrit means there is no any other people there. Only Rai Ramananda and Mahaprabhu. When after evening, they are sitting again together. Nebrite boshiya. Prashnottar goshti khaye anandito hoiya. Prashnottar means question and answer. How now Mahaprabhu is going to ask another type of question. Anandita hoiya means blissfully asking. Blissfully asking Mahaprabhu. Prabhu Ramananda Sanglap, Prabhu's Prashno, Rai Uddhav. The Sanglap means conversation between Rai Ramananda and Lord Chaitanya. And then Prabhu's Prashno, Rai Uddhav. And here means Lord Chaitanya asking questions and Rai Ramananda giving answer. That what is the Prashna? First question what? প্রভু পুছে রামানন্দ করেন উত্তর এই মতো সেই রাত্রে কথা পরস্পর সেকেন্ডে second night they are asking Prabhu asking question and Rai Ramananda answer. What question is? Prabhu কয়ে কোন বিদ্যা মধ্যে সার amongst the all type of study, what is the most important study or essence of study? Rai kahe Krishna bhakti bina vidya nahi aar. Rai Ramananda says Krishna bhakti is this study, this education is unparalleled for any other. There is no other study we can compare with Krishna bhakti. Why? You may have some question. Why? Engineering study, doctor studies, I think millions of rupees. There is education industry, right? Medical industry nowadays. Education industry is supposed not to be like this. Human society, they should keep it is free, but nowadays industry present tendency, everybody wants to squeeze from everyone as much as we can. Nowadays, Guru also squeezing disciples. Disciples is trying to squeeze Guru as much as they can. Like employer, in office you go there, employer squeezing employees. And employee also trying to squeeze employer. Everywhere squeezing. But Krishna Bhakti is not squeezing, it's giving always. What is most important? To give. What to give? Krishna Bhakti always teaching us. Give your heart. To whom? Lord. Who is Lord? Lord is creator of everything. Maintainer of everything. Lord is supreme. All we are empowered by Lord only. Who is Lord? Brahma says Krishna. How? Brahma says Ishara Parama Krishna. Ishara Parama means Supreme Personality of Godhead. Who? Krishna. Who says Brahma? Who is Brahma? Brahma is creator of all living beings. How he create? According to the order of Lord. Lord came, actually Brahma is, another way you can say, Brahma is embodiment of mode of passion of Lord. Brahma is incarnation or embodiment of passion. Or you can say incarnation of Lord's passion. Supreme Lord passion. Without passion, which is not possible to create anything. Therefore, we have to always think about why Krishna Bhakti, the most important. All the material education, you can see in your lifetime, it finish. This whatever I study in academic, I forget everything. If you ask me, what is this? You study in this, in that content, in that subject. So if you ask any questions about the subject, I forget everything. This is the perfect. Even if you are a teacher, you can remember, but you got some cerebral stroke, and then you can see your body is there, but you are not able to remember anything. Even a vocabulary power gone, your intelligence gone, your memory gone, everything gone. So material study, how long we are in the material world, that much period of time it will exist only. If you are super healthy person. If you are some unhealthy person, you get stroke and you will finish your educational skill, everything gone. Even the old age, you can remember, memory loss, your dementia disease, so many nowadays diseases coming up, like Alzheimer. So many types of disease nowadays. Lost our memory. Even I forget so many slokas. Sometime I am not able to remember, after some time I am able to remember. So, Krishna Bhakti is eternal education. Whatever you study now, with what limit, next life it will start from that limit. You can see small boys, small child, they can recite so many slokas. How? Because previous life, they had some connection, they had study, and the study come up. You can see small boy become Acharya. How? Guru choose him. Why? Previous life he has connection. Therefore, this spiritual authority, real spiritual authority, they never accept voting. By voting, choose Guru, Acharya. It's not possible. It's coming down from the spiritual abode to reveal to the heart of the previous teachers. Therefore, Krishna Bhakti is very nice, is eternal. Therefore, he is the essence of all study. Amongst the all studies in material world, Krishna Bhakti. But nowadays you can see, if you read any devotional books, parents are telling you are wasting your time. You can see. Why? Most of the parents, even I can say, my higher secondary, Bengali have is Bangla Sahitya Itihas, means history of Bengali language. In that study, Chaitanya Charitamrita, Chaitanya Bhagavad, this is books, subject. And also Chandidas, Boru Chandidas, all this, their life history, how the language come down. When I used to read, my mother used to say, hey, same thing. She was thinking, this is Chaitanya Charitamrita Shastra. Why are you reading that? Stop it. Go the academic book. This is academic. She is not understanding. Why academic? This is not academic. Speak. Next, the text number 243. Text number 243. 243. Remember it and then remind me, then I will go accordingly. All the conversation between Radha Ramananda and Lord Chaitanya. All it is happening just bank of Godavari river. So think about when you are listening this, think we are bank of Godavari river and Lord Chaitanya, Radha Ramananda, they are actually speaking amongst each other, and all you are enjoying that. I am also thinking, I am also audience. I am not thinking I am a speaker like a Ramananda Mahaprabhu. Never. I am servant of Rai Ramananda. Hare Krishna.